Hi everybody, it's Ms.Salazar and welcome to math. So all you have to do today is focus on the textbook, page 70 and page 71. And today we're going to talk about measuring weight in pounds. Now, the pound is another unit of weight. And so far we've talked about kilograms and we've talked about grams. And now we're going to talk about pounds. And you guys are going to be doing the exercises on page 71. So when we talk about pounds, we write the abbreviation LB. Now it says here to hold a 1 pound weight in your hand and feel how heavy it is. But I'm pretty sure that you guys don't have a 1 pound weight. But what you can do is get an umbrella. So an umbrella is about the weight of 1 pound. That's about the weight of 1 pound, an umbrella. Now it says here, number 1, make a bag of beans which weighs 1 pound. You don't have to make a bag of beans which weighs 1 pound, but you have here a picture of a bag of beans and you see the scale. And in the scale, you have the abbreviation of pounds, LB. Now each number represents a pound. So this is 1 pound, this is 2 pounds, 3 pounds, 4, 5, 6 pounds, and all the way until 22 pounds. So remember that when we are measuring something, we are going to use a scale, okay? A scale. This is what this tool is called. Now, look at number 2. We have a watermelon, and we need to see the weight of the watermelon. And the kid says, is the watermelon heavier than 1 pound or lighter than 1 pound? So we have to check to number 1. Let's look at number 1. Okay, this is number 1. Now, the needle is going to point to the weight of the watermelon. Now, is the needle pointing to number 1? Yes or no? No, it's not pointing to number 1. So the watermelon is not 1 pound. If the needle is if the needle goes beyond number 1, then that means that the watermelon is heavier than 1 pound. If the needle is right here, right before hitting number 1, then that means that the watermelon is lighter than 1 pound. But the needle is not pointing to number 1, so it's not 1 pound. The needle is not in this direction, so it's not lighter than 1 pound. It passed number 1. It weighs more. It's a lot heavier. And how much heavy? What is the weight of the watermelon? How much heavier is the watermelon? It's 6 pounds. 6 pounds. So the watermelon is 6 pounds. That is the weight of the watermelon. Now you're going to do number 3 and number 4. So number 3, you have 2 gifts and you have the scales. Each scale is weighting the weight of the gift. Now letter A, it says which package is lighter? Which package is lighter? You have to look at the needle and see what numbers they are pointing to. And then it says which package is lighter and how much lighter? How much lighter? So you have to answer that question. Now, letter B, it says what is the total weight of the 2 packages? What is the total weight of the 2 packages? So for you to know this, you need to know the weight of this package, and you also need to know the weight of this package. Now for number 4, find out the weight in pounds using a bathroom scale. So here's the thing, if you don't have a bathroom scale, then you don't have to do number 4. But if you do have a scale that you can step on and you can see how much you weigh, then you're going to write your weight right here, okay? And that's going to be it for today. Now, if you guys didn't finish the assessment from, I think it was from Wednesday, we're going to be discussing that on Wednesday, actually, not Tuesday. It's going to be Wednesday because on Tuesday you guys don't take math and you guys don't have class on Monday. So we will talk about this page and the previous assessment that we did, the one that we did on Wednesday. We're going to talk about that next week on Wednesday. But if you guys have any questions about any of the exercises here in the textbook, then let me know. Bye, everybody.